How to use Cash App referral code. Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use Cash App referral code. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, as you can see from here. From there, proceed and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account, as you can see from here. On this page, there are several sections that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. Next, scroll down, continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page where you will find more options. From the options that are here, the one we need is this one here named Enter Referral Code. Tap on it. After that, this page will appear where you can enter your referral code easily. For some people, this option may be missing from their account. Don't worry, I will show you how to solve that issue. Come back to the profile section. After that, while you are still at the bottom of the page, tap this option here named Support. Finally, you will land on this page where you can browse through all these different settings here, where each can give you access to different features of the app that you may be having an issue with. From them, tap on this one here named Account and Settings. This will take you to this page where there are several different options that you can use to find solutions to the issue you are facing. Scroll through them and tap on this one here named Invite Friends. After that, this other page opens as you can see. Next, scroll to the bottom of this page. From there, tap this option here named Chat. It is under the Contact Us section. Finally, this chat box will open where you have to enter or write a message to the support team asking them to fix your issue. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like I'm doing here. Finally, proceed and tap here, and your message will be sent to them just like you can see here. Give them, and they will respond to you with a solution. Finally, exit the app and open either the App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you are using, because the tutorial is the same on both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for Cash App and check if the app needs to be updated and update it. This ensures you get the missing features on the app, such as the one for today. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to use Cash App referral code.